Hello, today we'll be comparing FOHERE coffee maker, single serve iced and hot coffee brewer for K-pot and ground coffee versus coffee maker with glass carafe for home office. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. I'll link to all the products and the description. Brewing method, FOHERE is better. Capacity glass carafe is better. Programmable features glass carafe is better. Carafe type glass carafe is better. Brew FOHERE is better. Water distribution is tie. Ease of cleaning is tie. Auto shut off is tie. Water reservoir glass carafe is better. Design aesthetic appeal FOHERE is better. Warming plate glass carafe is better. Brew pause feature glass carafe is better. Price glass carafe is better. Special features FOHERE is better. Dimensions FOHERE is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the FOHERE coffee maker, single serve iced and hot coffee, and brewer for K-pot and ground coffee. The link to buy it is in the video description.